Hi guys, we're back working on this 2006 Outback Legacy. These are all the same from 2005 to 9, and the wagon sedan all the same for the door stuff, the front. If you watched the other video, you saw how we replaced and pulled the door panel off, pulled the master switch off. Usually that goes bad a lot. Since we're here, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove the mirror, and if you've damaged your mirror, you need to watch how to remove it. If you watch this video but you're like, what happened, how do you take the door panel off? Watch the door panel video first and then this one so you can see how it comes out. But there's a clip right here, a little plug, a little push pin right here. If you push on that and lift up, it will come out. And this stuff is nasty. You get that stuff on your hands, it doesn't want to come off. It's disgusting. There's 3 number 8s right here, 1, 2, and 3. Remove those. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. After those 3, you just literally just yank on this mirror like so, and that's how the mirror comes off. Very simple. Just these 3 screws here. But in order to get to these 3 screws, you can get to these 2 up here by removing this little cover that's here, but this 3rd screw you can't do because the door panel sits right on it. So even if you can get to it, which you probably can, you got to still unplug this thing from here. So you have to take the door panel off no matter what to unplug this here. And that's how you remove the mirror.